Tired of lips that look flaky, rough, dark, and uneven? This 4-step routine will reveal pinker, softer lips instantly. Scrub away dead skin with the easiest method yet. Just apply some petroleum jelly to your lips, leave it on for a few minutes, and gently brush the skin with a soft toothbrush. This will get rid of flakes without cuts or bleeding, leaving your lips smoother than ever before. Mix up your very own lip mask or treatment depending on your concern. For extra scrubbing, use sugar or finely ground coffee. Mix in an oil like coconut for nourishment and honey to lock in moisture. Finally, add in brightening ingredients like lemon essential oil or orange peel powder to get rid of stubborn pigmentation and bring your lips back to their natural pink color. Gently scrub your custom mixture in circular motions or just leave it on as a mask for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe it off and you're good to go. Don't forget to hydrate after scrubbing and through the day with a chapstick, lip balm, or plain old petroleum jelly to keep your lips moisturized and avoid flaking. You can also create your own lip tint by mixing together petroleum jelly and your favorite lipstick to add a pop of color to your face. Finally, get that pout you've been dreaming of with this easy-to-use lip oil. Just blend together some beetroot juice and vitamin E oil. You can store it in an empty lip gloss container and apply it with no fuss before sleeping to wake up to pinker lips. We hope this quick routine gives you ultra soft, pink, kissable lips. Watch more of our skincare videos here and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.